Okay guys, so as promised, me and Anton from Tech 5, we are going to do our first one and only, for the first time ever, drone synchronization. We are calling it Drone Symphony. So what does Drone Symphony means? We are going to sequentially partner these up, and we are going to do a very skillful test. Remember this, that we are not going to like put this on a regular mode. We are going to turn this into sport mode. If you are a skillful flight pilot, you are going to attempt this. If you are not a skillful pilot, do not attempt this. It's done only after years of training. Okay, so let's begin. Just shot the first manual flight synchronization on our channels. We'll keep you posted. We'll get some tracks. We are going to post this right now. Maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, when the edits are done, you'll be seeing this. So stay tuned. Opinions matter, and Tech 5.